I quite like this foreign exchange data sufficiency question. It's really just testing whether we understand that currencies are directly correlated, meaning if I double my money in one currency, then my money would also double in the other currency if I were to convert from one to the other. So an example of where that wouldn't work is the Celsius-Fahrenheit conversion. Right? If I double the temperature in Celsius, does that mean that it's double the temperature in Fahrenheit? No, the formula there is a little bit more complicated. But with currencies, it makes sense that if I have twice as much money in one currency, then I would also have twice as much money in the other currency. And if we understand that, then we should be able to just see that each statement is sufficient on its own, because from either of those statements, we could infer the currency conversion rate, whatever that is, and then use that to solve the question. So I'm not actually going to put pen to paper here. I'm not going to do any math. I'm just going to go ahead and say that yes, each statement is sufficient on its own, and therefore the correct answer is D. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.